Look here, this slide gives you a host of risk factors for asthma, starting from the causal factors, the host factors, and the contributory factors. The most important host factor being the genetic atopy or increased immunoglobulin A in those who have intrinsic asthma or atopic asthma. Outdoor allergens, you can see here the mites, the cockroaches, the fungi, the respiratory syncytial virus, and many other infections and host of other things that are listed here which you can read. The commonest allergen for extrinsic asthma or the non-atopic asthma is the house dust mite. This is the dermocentar. Use bedding encasements, wash bed linens every weekly, avoid feather-filled ones, limit stuffed toys to those that can be washed, and reduce the humidity levels. By doing these things, you can reduce the concentration of this house dust mite, which is the commonest cause of allergy for extraneous or non-atopic asthma. Cockroaches, particularly the fecal matter of the cockroaches, once it gets dried up, it gets spread in the air and produces severe allergic reactions in those who are susceptible. So, we need to avoid cockroaches in our kitchens and in our toilets. Remove as many water and food sources as possible to avoid cockroaches. Leftover food, moisture, drains, open cupboards are the common sources. Kitchens and toilets are the normally affected areas. Do not have the habit of eating anywhere in the house except on the dining table and immediately cleaning all the leftover food. This is another important aspect. Some of us are fond of pets, the cats, the dogs. These pets carry a lot of allergens on their fur, on their skin. People who are allergic to pets should not have them in the house. At a minimum, do not allow pets into the bedroom or do not sleep keeping the pets by your side. Fungal molds are very common in the house, particularly on the leftover foods, on surfaces which are moist, on the leather and the wet mops which are never allowed to dry. And after the mopping, the mops are kept in the corner of the room next to the toilet or next to the doors, and those wet mops are the sources for fungal molds, and these fungi emanate lot of spores, and these spores are responsible for allergy. Eliminating the molds may help control asthma exacerbations. So, how does the patient present? History of recurrent attacks or episodic wheezing, troublesome cough, particularly worse at night, cough after physical activity, example playing or walking long distances. This is called exercise induced asthma. History of seasonal attacks of breathing problems. These could be the clinching points in the history. The main symptom clues are usually when the patient gets a cold, the cold becomes a chest infection and takes more time, more than 10 days or 15 days to resolve. The patient uses any medication, that also has to be inquired into, because whenever there is a relief with a bronchodilator, when symptoms occur, it is indicative that it is due to bronchial asthma. In patients who have answers yes to the above question, suspect asthma. Remember, the commonest cause of persistent cough is asthma. What do we find on physical examination? Wheeze is something that we can hear without a stethoscope, a loud respiratory sounds, respiratory noise of obstructed airways. Dyspnea is the hallmark of asthma. Rhonchi heard with a stethoscope. Use of accessory muscles of respiration gives us a clue that the severity of the obstruction is more. Remember, absence of symptoms at the time of examination does not exclude the diagnosis of asthma. As already discussed, there are two types of asthma, the atopic type and the non-atopic type. In the atopic type, there is a genetic predisposition and increased levels of immunoglobulin E are found. These people present with allergic rhinitis, increased nasal secretions and nasal polyps, atopic dermatitis, eczema and other skin allergic manifestations. In the non-atopic type or the extrinsic asthma, allergy to sensitizing agents, as we have seen in the previous list, like house dust, the pollens, the pets, the cockroaches, etc. are the reason.